This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Lindley Walker. This is truly a one-of-a-kind property. This completely updated custom mansion offers 2 in-law suites, both with its own private entrance, kitchen, laundry room, full bathroom, and living room space. Entertain with ease on its 3-acre lot with fully fenced-in yard, pool, grill area, covered dining space, fire pit, chessboard, and custom-built swing. Unwind in the relaxing sunroom with a view of the pool and backyard, or watch a movie in the movie theater. There is also a virtual reality room and gym. There are so many custom upgrades and unique qualities to this property. Come see it for yourself. For more information, review the details below.